I know in-ear monitors are always a popular topic for the channel, and Westone sent over these Mach 10 in-ear monitor earbuds for me to check out. These are universal fit, single full range, balanced armature driver earpieces. First off, the packaging and presentation are A+. You're getting the earbuds themselves with a 50-inch BAX T2 cable, multiple sizes and types of tips with 5 pairs of foam tips and 5 pairs of silicone tips. As I've mentioned on the channel before, with IEMs, finding the tip that fits you best is not just about comfort, but about the seal. The better the earbud fits securely in your ear, the better the bass response you'll hear, and the less outside sounds will compete with your IEM mix. And that means you'll have better volume control over your mix. Also in the package with the tips, you'll find a cleaning tool. Not only is there a cloth pouch included, but also a small hard shell case. One thing that is not included is a 1/4-inch tip ring sleeve to 1/8-inch tip ring sleeve adapter like this. So if you plan to use these connected directly to a console rather than a belt pack, you'll need to make sure you have one of these. But nowadays, most of us already have a drawer full of these anyway. As for the earpieces, they're very lightweight and comfortable to wear. For me, ear fatigue was not a problem with these. Being a single driver design, I would call these fairly neutral in response, at least to my ears. You don't get that hyped high-end response that can lead to things sounding harsh. You also get a smoothness that you maybe don't get with something like the SC215s. I tried them out over the course of several gigs, plus I used them to listen to tracks, and they worked well. I did find that I had to push the level a little bit on these, at least compared to the multi-driver earpieces I've tested before, but they responded just fine to that. If you're wondering which is the right earpiece and which is the left earpiece, the right earpiece has the red lettering. Westone is known for making good IEM earbuds, and these are no exception. You can find these on Sweetwater, and I'll leave a link below for that. More and more musicians are switching to IEMs for the consistency of their mixes and the convenience versus wedges. And it's now easy and affordable to have your own monitor system that you can bring to your gigs. This video shows one band's well thought out approach to carrying their own monitor package with IEMs. If you like live production content like this, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.